Okay, the two parts Spinner SB machines have arrived, and the decision on which one to part out is pretty much taken. So I think it's going to be this one because it's disgusting. So this machine has already been partially disassembled because of the worn X-axis, and it's also pretty rusty inside. There's some little parts missing. That would not be a deal breaker, but in general it ain't pretty. So it is electrically all complete. The control boots up, even though the batteries were actually missing. They were not dead, they were completely missing. The turret electronics is there, so that's all good sign. In the bottom you will see at the bottom you see the missing drive components, but they were all included, so that would not be a problem. They were used for the other machine, so this is the one I will try to revive. There is a suspected error in the drive system, but it seems to me that the drive is not even powering up, so something is missing, some prerequisite is missing. What's blinking there is something that has to do with the revolver, with the turret. There is a turret signal missing, it seems. Otherwise, this machine, even though inside it looks also pretty terrible, look at all these disgusting side panels. But that's just a little bit of paint. I don't know why this is so horrible. Just like on the other machines, all the scrapers are missing everywhere. There's not a single scraper on any of these machines. I don't understand how that happens. They can go bad, but they don't all fall off for no particular reason. So this is all pretty good. The control was dead. The batteries had 0.5 volts on them, so I could reboot it. Oddly enough, this very late Xenomeric 810T control, you can actually boot all the machine parameters, not only the PLC program, from an EEPROM. So that's helpful because I have no backup data for this machine. It's a bit difficult to test because it is incredibly leaky. I mean, if I put air on it, my compressor can hardly keep up with how fast the air is leaking out. Let me go back to the one that I'm going to scrap. That's this one here. You see somebody took out the motor because they were testing stuff for the other machine. But notice that it has 4 air pressure gauges. That confused me significantly because you really only need 2 for the clamping system. But then I looked it up and it turns out that this machine must have had a tailstock at some point in time. Unfortunately, it's no longer there. The tailstock goes here. This is one, and this is the position where the tailstock gets mounted to this rail here. This here is the end switch for the tailstock, so you cannot run your X into it. That's missing. That's a pain. The air hookup is down here. That's where the air hookup for the tailstock is. I wish I had a tailstock. I think it's extremely rare on the older machines. I would love to be able to find one, but that does seem a little bit unlikely. Other than that, it's going to be fun. Yeah, take stuff apart. Of course, it's not like I don't have any other Spinner SBs. This is just a small selection. Clearly, the collecting bug has taken me over, and some people would say it's not collecting, it's actually accumulating. But okay, anyway, I think I'm having fun.